Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 9i. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And now, tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Let's enter loyalty firstly. And now select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back and now let's select gift card. It's pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.